All right, welcome to this week's Code Cookie. Today we got VISMA SPCS here, and they are going to share some insight in their Zervicepoint installation. So why don't you start with presenting yourself, Carl-Fredrik?
Yes, my name is Carl-Fredrik Lund. I've been working for VISMA SPCS for 3 years now. My role is very mixed, but I work with operations, help desk, developer for Zervicepoint, and some integrations, a lot of architecture. That's pretty much what makes my day flow.
Mixed bag.
Yeah, a very mixed bag.
And Daniel.
Yeah, my name is Daniel Magnusson. I'm acting product owner for Ops Help Desk. Also work as support technicians and manage most of SPCS telephone issues and ordering.
All right, thank you very much. Can you give me just a brief description of what VISMA does?
Well, VISMA SPCS is part of a bigger company called VISMA, which is located in Oslo with more than 12,000 employees. At VISMA SPCS, we are approximately 500 employees, and we are developing software for accounting, invoicing, and payroll management, and a lot of other things as well, but mostly in that area. And our customers are small to medium business sized, so everything from 1 employee to 50-ish.
Yeah, I actually used SPCS. I had my own company many years back, and we had to have some kind of accounting system. So I guess we did accounting in SPCS.
Yeah, that's high probability.
Yeah, but it feels like the go-to system if you have that kind of business.
Yes.
We try to be.
we try to be, yeah.
Okay, so when did you go live with Zervicepoint, and how did you go live?
We did go live on the 8th of March. Before that, we had a pre-release for all our managers and department orderer. And after that, we made a big announcement on our intranet called Space, where we changed all our links and ordering processes to Zervicepoint from the old ones. So we did it over a night.
Okay. Yeah, that's always interesting to hear how customers go live. But so you have only been live for like 23 days or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's true.
So we are very early in your journey here.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask the very interesting question about, well, first, what is the total number of orders in Zervicepoint that you have accumulated this far?
Well, if you deduct all my test orders, we are on approximately 150 orders so far from March 8th.
Okay. And how many test orders do you have?
Approximately 150.
That's not that many, actually.
No, I've been restarting the processes a lot of the times.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's not counting
a good functionality.
Yeah, it is. I typically have like 300, depending on how big a project. But you can reset the order counter as well. But it's a little late for that now.
Yeah, it is. It is. So we'll just have to live with them.
Yeah. All right. So jumping into the question, what is the top 5 most ordered services?
Top 5 most ordered services right now are new employee, request for new employee, iPhone 12, laptops, leave application, and headsets.
Okay. So leave application, is that vacation leave, or is it like parental leave?
Yeah, It can be parental leave, leave for study, and so on. And we're using the PDF plugin from Zervicepoint to do that. So we have converted an old PDF document into an automated process using web forms, where we collect some data automatically from Active Directory. And then the user will have to fill in the rest into the web form, and that will generate a PDF for them that they send to HR, or we send to HR, and they will digitally sign it in their process.
Okay. Do they sign with bank ID, or how do they sign it?
I think it's done with a VISMA application, Daniel.
Yeah, VISMA Addo, I think it's called at the moment.
Yeah, I heard about that one. I haven't tested it though, but it's basically you can sign it with bank ID, or you can sign it with touch, or you can sign it with text message.
Yeah,
or something.
And I think we have two different VISMA applications for it, and we're waiting for the steering group to decide which one we should use completely in Zervicepoint.
I would like to have a plugin for Addo as well, an official plugin. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, which service has given the most bang for the buck?
I would say that would be the product catalog, mostly since it's completely automated. Before we had users submitting a ticket to us, then we went into a web shop and placed the order, and then we took the order at IT and registered it in our asset systems. All that's gone now with the product plugin, so it goes directly from the user to the users.
Yeah, so you had iPhone 12 in the top list there as well, so I guess people order quite many assets in comparison, at least, to what you have in the catalog today then.
Yeah, and we're filling out the catalog as we go along. We get a lot of requests of new items that users want to put up.
Do you know approximately how many different articles you have?
On product catalog, we have approximately 35 different items right now, and it's growing, as Daniel said.
Okay, so that's it for this week's Code Cookie, and then stay tuned for next week's or the next week's Code Cookie, and we will return with more from VISMA. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.